Yes, the company Fabro sent me this RV backup camera, and I'm really loving this thing so far. I'll show you right quick. It comes with two cameras. They're magnetic cameras. Turning them on and off, they both have, all you do is push that button, the lights come on, and you'll be able to hook them up to your video here. So this is what goes in your pickup or vehicle or whatever. I'm going to use this right here and put it on my windshield. That way, or you can mount it with this right here. If you have a trailer or something that has fiberglass instead of metal, it sends these plates, the screws and everything where you can put it into, and then these magnets stick directly to that right there. So the other thing that it comes with is two chargers, because you can charge these if it's cloudy. It comes with two different attachments for your to see this. It's got the plug-in here or USB.
These are solar.
Battery operated, and so it keeps the charged up during the day. So we're going to go hook it up, and I'll show you later how it works.
So this is the camera monitor inside the truck, and you can see right there my husband is back there watching the sides of the campsite to make sure how far back I need to go to be able to hook up to my electric and sewer. And this set, as you saw in the introduction, came with two cameras. So the other one we have in the front of the truck so that we can see how close we're getting to the trees and the site in front of us. So the site in front of us has some people at it, so we can kind of keep an eye and make sure that we are not getting too close to them. And we can see the back of our campsite to make sure we are parking where we need to. This is the camera at night. And as you can see, my husband is standing back there. He is showing me exactly where I need to be to back up and where to line up to be able to plug in my electric and sewer. So this camera does have options. There are two, like I showed you earlier. This is the front camera. It's facing our neighbor's campsite. And if I push that one more time, it's going to give me both of them again. So you can have it like this where you can see both cameras. And this little button right here will turn it to where you can see one. That's the back camera. Now I said back and front. You can put those wherever you want. Those are magnetic, so you can place them where you want them to be. There's the front. And we will go back to having dual. So this is where we have the front camera. And like I said, these are magnetic. You can put them anywhere you would like them, whatever works best for you. Let me show you that it's got that solar panel. It is rechargeable that way. It also has a plug-in that you can plug it in. Here's your power button. When the lights come in, shows you how much charge you have, and it shows you that it's on. Now let me show you where I have the one that's on the trailer. And you can do that. And this one, same thing. You have your charging port right here. It does have the solar panel and your power button. So these are great cameras. I love the versatility. You could put it on any type of camper, trailer, anything, even if it was just an enclosed work trailer, anywhere where you might want one of these cameras. My husband has a kayak, and sometimes when we're hauling our kayak, we need to move it, but that's the great thing is with it being magnetic, we can move it wherever we want it to be. So if you're looking for some new cameras, backup cameras, I highly recommend checking this one out.